Hello? Hello? Okay, guys, good afternoon. I hope everyone is doing well. Kindly confirm if you can hear me clearly, okay? All right. Oh, only two people. Hello, Cecilia. How are you doing? Bro, be careful, okay? Actually, I said exactly 2 o'clock, but I slept off and I woke up, so that's why it passed time. I'm here now, so no wahala. Okay, so um let's look into the market. What do we have ahead of us this week? What do we have ahead of us this week? First of all, let's check the fundamentals and see what we actually have. And if you look at fundamentals, tomorrow we actually have no news tomorrow. Okay, no major news tomorrow, so it's still going to be some normal levels. On Tuesday, 2 p.m., Fed chairs testifies. Powell testifies 2 p.m. on Tuesday. Apart from that, no news. On Wednesday, the same time, 12:30, 2 o'clock, Fed chair testifies. What's going on? What's going on? I have no idea. That is what we have on Wednesday. Aside that, no other news. On Thursday, hey, so we have CPI on Thursday. That's quite strange, but that's what we have. So we have CPI on Thursday, 12:30 Ghana time. And looking at the fundamentals, core CPI monthly, we are expecting neutral news. CPI monthly, we are expecting positive. CPI yearly, we are expecting negative. Unemployment claims, we are expecting positive. So we're going to have mixed feelings, mixed news, which can give us some crazy movement. All right. And on Friday, we have PPI and consumer sentiment. All at 12:30 is PPI and 2 p.m. is consumer sentiment. So with the core PPI monthly, we are expecting positive. PPI monthly, we are expecting positive. Yeah, so we are expecting positive PPI, and also the consumer sentiment, we are expecting negative. All right. If you are asking how to know whether it's negative or positive, what you have to do is to check the previous data and check the forecast. If the previous data is bigger than the forecast, it means we are expecting a negative news. If the previous is lower or smaller than the forecast, we are expecting positive. I know somebody will ask this question, so I'm answering in advance so that you will not ask. Okay, yeah. So that is it. But remember, apart from unemployment claims, with unemployment claims increasing, when the number increases, the news is negative. When the number decreases, the news is positive. Why am I saying that, and why is it like that? Because unemployment claims simply means the rate at which people are not having jobs. Okay, so if the number is increasing, it means that more people are not getting job, and hence it affects the country or the currency. All right, so unemployment claims, if the number rises or if the number becomes higher than the previous, the news is negative. But if it comes out lower than the previous, the news is positive. I hope that one makes sense and it's clear. So these are the fundamentals we have ahead of us this week. So once we are done with that, let's jump into the charts and see what we have ahead of us. Before we go, any question about the fundamentals? Any question? Any question? Okay. So I think there is no question. So let's go to the charts and let me clear this chart. First of all, weekly time frame. Hmm. So you can see that how the first week of July ended, strong bullish, strong bullish, and I made you guys understood that we had a double bottom right here, and the market came testing the bottom with last week's that previous candle. Okay, so there is a potential for this market to fly, and as you can see, last week market flew. That was on Thursday and Friday or so. The market flew high. So what is going to happen? Now you can see that the market is also approaching a major resistance on weekly time frame. So are we going to have a double bottom for the market to drop again? Sorry, are we going to have a double top formation for the market to drop? or it's going to break the resistance. Time and seasons will tell. All right. Time and seasons will tell. We cannot say it's going to break. We cannot say it's going to respect. What we need to do is to exercise patience and watch and see when the market actually reached there. All right. So when the market reached 24.15, there is the resistance, and it has potentials to respect that level for it to decline again. In this case, if that happens, then it means the market is ranging. On weekly time frame, the market is ranging. All right. Yeah. So until this range bound is broken, the market cannot fly or sell. All right. That's what is happening right now. So is it going to break this resistance, or is going to respect? If you look at this particular resistance here, you can see it has already been broken. All right. It has already broken that resistance, so it's no longer valid. So let's go to daily time frame. Good. And when we come to daily time frame, I'm sure you see what I was talking about. That is it. On daily, this one has been broken, and this one too is broken. Yeah. So these two resistance has been broken to the upside. So what were we expecting? A pullback. That is if the market wants to make pullback. A pullback to the support, which is the resistance, which is now support. A pullback to that zone for a continuation push to the upside. That is if the market really wants to pull back. All right. So if the pullback is going to happen, then we should look into at 23.74 and 23.62. All right, these are the zones we should be expecting, but it is a possibility for the market to test that 23.74 zone. All right, but for it to go to the 23.62 might be difficult, but like I said, anything is possible. And remember, it can also decide not to pull back at all. All right, the market can decide not to pull back at all, just like it did last Friday after the breakout. That we were expecting a pullback, but pullback never. Oh, is it Wednesday? I think that was Wednesday rather. After it broke that resistance, and we were expecting a pullback, but it never did. Gold is sometimes like that. Okay, you will be expecting a pullback, it will never happen. So just watch out, trade what you see, and you are going to be fine. All right. So the pullback levels are the 23.74, 23.62. Those are the support, new support according to daily time frame. That was power. Okay. So H4, when you come to H4, you can see that things are very clear here. You can see a nice breakout. And even if you look into it very well, you can see that this level, after this candle breakout, the H4 candle pulled back, right? Look at it. This was the breakout candle, and there was a pullback for a continuation push to the upside. All right. So the question here is, are we still going to expect another pullback to the zone again, or it has already pulled back and the market is going to fly? Time and seasons will tell. All right. So this level has already been broken and has been retested according to H4 candles. So these are the zones we are expecting to buy gold from. So tomorrow, I'll still advise you wait. Okay, wait for this zone because there is a possibility for the market to come there. Why am I saying so? Look here. You see that we have some resistance right here, and recently the market is testing that resistance. All right. So since the market is testing that resistance, And even if you trace backwards, you can see that it's not just a small something there. Yeah. So there is a possibility the market will respect that level and sell off to test this level before the push to the upside. All right. So what you need to do, exercise patience and wait. Okay? Exercise patience and wait. Then if the level is going to respect for the market to push to these zones, time will tell. And we are all going to see. All right. H1. H1. Now if you look at H1, this is what is happening. You can see that there was some zone there which got broken. All right. H1. There was some zone right here which got broken. So, according to H1, there is a possibility for the market to test just here. Okay, the market can just test here and fly. Believe me, the market can just test here 86 to 83 zone and fly. But if it wants to make a major pullback, that is where it is going to test the 75 level. Okay, so all we need to do is to exercise patience and wait. I keep saying wait, 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 because that is the only way to for the market to show you what it really wants to do before you go into the market. Okay, so just wait until you get a clear direction that okay, the market just wants to respect this level and fly. Then you follow. But if it comes here, then you follow, and if it drops all the way here, you go aggressive. Okay, I hope you get what I said. If it comes here, just follow. If it comes here, follow. If it comes back to the last zone, go aggressive. You get to the point. So these are the three zones we will be waiting to buy gold from tomorrow. Okay, yeah. So 30 minutes time frame, what is happening? And this is 30 minutes. If you look at 30 minutes, you can see that the zones are all valid. Okay, the zones are all valid. So what we need to do is to exercise patience and wait. Aside that, there is nothing else I can tell you. So exercise patience, wait and see how things are going to unfold. All right. So guys, this is all I see about gold and gold markets. If you have a question pertaining to the analysis, you can drop it in the comment section. All right. And guys, also one thing you need to do for me, make sure you share the video with your friends, everybody. Okay, let them watch it as well. All right. So question time. Any question? Do you think it will move tomorrow since there is no news? Yes, it will surely do. Gold will move. Gold is gold. Okay. Even holidays is still moved. How much more normal day? There is no fundamental, so it's going to behave the normal behavior. There is no going to be like any kind of crazy movement during news. There is no news, so it's not going to behave abnormal. All right. The reason he has such accurate trade is because he has good patience. Yeah, we need to wait. You need to exercise patience. That is the only way you can grow. Guys, any question? If there is no question on gold, maybe you are watching a different pair you want us to look into it, you can also drop it in the comment section. Then we look at it. If there is nothing as such, then that comes to the end of today's session. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So if you have a question, drop it. If you want us to look into a different pair, drop it. If there is nothing in the next 1 minute, then the life has ended, and have a good day. You suggest we have buy limits. Don't place any buy limit, bro. Wait for the market to come there. Then you look into it and see, is it, it can even fail. Okay. All the zones can fail. All the zones can fail. All right. So don't place any buy limit anywhere. Because if you are placing the buy limit, where are you going to place your stop loss? And this is good, bro. It can come all the way here. Okay. This zone, it can respect this zone and fly, but it can still drop all the way here before it will fly. Okay. It can fly, it can drop to this point. This is the limit it's supposed to be, then it flies, but it can still come all the way here. Or it can even come here, and fly. So in this case, if you put your limit here, where are you going to put your stop loss? Definitely here. And it will take you out before it goes to your favor. All right. So you don't put any limit, just wait. And if it comes here before it flies, it can come all the way here. And definitely, if you are buying from here, which is 75, your stop loss is going to be at maximum 70, and it will come all the way, take you out, and come to 67 or 68 before it flies again. What will you do? It will take you out before it goes into your favor. So just wait. Okay, don't put any limit. Wait for the markets to give you the opportunity before you go into it and pick your trades. Okay, so no limit orders. Sometimes limit orders are good. When I see a need to place limit orders, I will share with you guys. Okay, please, which session should we wait for? London and New York. Wait for London session and New York session. Now I see, so let's just wait and see. Why don't you trade London session? I trade London session sometimes, but I like New York session. And the reason I like New York session is that during New York there are more volumes on gold. I hate trade which will stress me. Okay. I don't like a stressful trade. And when I talk about a stressful trade, this is what I mean. Look here. You can see that this market will eventually hit your TP. Okay. But look at the number of hours it will take before it hit your TP. It will be ups and downs, ups and downs. I don't like that. So I prefer this kind of movement. As soon as you enter, maximum 1 hour, it hits your TP or hit your stop loss. Okay, maximum 1 hour, hit your TP, hit your stop loss. You go home and sleep. Either you are going to cry or you are going to enjoy. Hit your TP. That is it. Okay, so if you look at this one, you can see that it's 12 o'clock trade. Yeah. So this is what I want. These are the movements. I don't like all these stressful ones. These stressful ones, I don't like them. Okay. That's why I don't really normally trade lending sessions. I and I like the New York. If it's going to stress me, if it's going to mess my life, just mess my life within 30 minutes. Let me go and sleep. I don't want the situation whereby it will stress you, stress you, stress you, stress you for hours, and it will still hit your stop loss. I hate that shit. Okay, that's why I like trading New York. Someone said BTC. So let's look at BTC. What is happening to BTC? BTC USD. Wonder. Hmm. Okay. So BTC USD on weekly time frame. Shit. Oh, guys, BTC. Oh, I even analyzed this pair with you people. I don't know if you remember. So this is BTC. You can see that now the neckline has already been broken. Okay, BTC has broken the neckline already. So since this neckline is broken, BTC is coming to 50k. Okay, BTC is coming to 50k, and if it does not respect this demand here, then BTC will come all the way back to 44k and possibly 40k. Okay, so right now the neckline has been broken, the consolidation is over, double top formation. Now neckline is also broken, so BTC is dropping. Okay, BTC is dropping. But as to when it's going to drop, these are the levels. When it reaches 23.52, it may push up again, or if it breaks that level at 23.50, 2050. Oh, sorry, guys, sorry. I'm trying to use gold price to do this. Sorry about that. If it breaks the 52K, or for you to see that it has been broken, a weekly candle should close below 50K. Okay, if a weekly candle close below 50K, then it should tell you that BTC is dropping dead all the way to 44K and also 40K. All right, so these are the levels you should wait for BTC. Okay, I hope it makes sense. That's why only trade gold cause other pairs stress me out. Okay, that's good. Me, I trade gold alone too. New York session in will be which time in Ghana? 1 o'clock. So pre New York starts at 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. New York opens officially at 1 o'clock Ghana time. I'm a Ghanaian, so that's the time New York opens. So the BTC person, I hope you understand. I'm not going to any further because I've given you the overall view about BTC on weekly time frame. And even if you come to daily, you can see that yes, the neckline has been broken. This resistance, the support couldn't hold the market, and it has been broken already. Okay, so expect BTC right here. This is a demand. So expect BTC at the demand zone. Once this demand doesn't hold and it breaks, and even if it holds, it will do something like this. Okay, it will come and test these levels and drops. This is what is going to happen, or this is what may happen. Okay, it will just respect this demand because remember the weekly time frame, the double bottom and the neckline has been broken, so the market will come here to test, then it will retest the breakout before the massive drop. Okay, so if the market is respecting here, you should know what to do. You can take advantage of it all the way to somewhere 59K, and when you see it dipping again, then you can hold all the way to somewhere 44, 40 and below. Okay, and you can see that we have another demand right here. Okay, we have another demand zone right here, so the market can fall into this demand zone and pushes up again. All right, so all you need to do is to just watch the markets, but for now, on daily, on weekly, BTC is in a sell zone. Okay, in a sell mode, and it is selling like mad. I hope you get it now. Tell me, does DXY and gold have something that links them? Yes, they are correlated negatively. Okay, go and learn about correlation of pairs, and you will get to know that if DXY is an uptrend, gold moves downwards. But remember this, it is not all the time. This is why I no longer analyze DXY. Those of you who have been following me for a long time, you remember that I used to analyze DXY and analyze gold, but there were multiple points in time where DXY and gold were all bullish. Okay, DXY and gold were all bullish. So I said, okay, then why don't I stick to gold alone? If I do the analysis well and I wait for the right time, I'm always going to get things right. That's why I stopped checking DXY. Okay, I stopped checking DXY at all. I've stopped. I no longer check DXY to make decisions on gold. No, I've stopped that. I only trade gold, I analyze gold, and wait for gold. Clear? Because every time I see DXY go up, go down, gold goes down. Yeah, yeah. So that's the explanation. Please, which broker are you using? I use XNext now, and you can check all the videos on YouTube. You will see the link there. You can use to sign up. Okay, so I use X next. Guys, any question? Yeah, you are welcome. Any question, guys? Okay, so if there is no question, then in the next 1 minute, if there is no question, here ends the class, and God willing, we are going to meet tomorrow. If you haven't joined the Hunter Millionaires Club, you can join. Okay, use the weekly promo or weekly discount and join so that you don't miss a single signal. Right? Kindly check GG. What is happening to GG? Hmm. What is this? What is this? What? Ah, the thing sucks. GJ is flying. GJ is flying, honestly. GJ is flying. Why? So you see that I'm not looking at the current charts. Instead, I'm looking at the historical charts. Yes. Why am I doing that? I'm doing this because you can see that when you look at the current chart, there is no resistance anywhere. There is no resistance anywhere. So it means that the market is just flying, 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 flying. Yeah, that is why I need to look at the historical data to look at the nearest resistance. This is how you go about things. All right. So if you look at the historical, you can see that this was the support, previous support, and this is the previous resistance according to weekly time frame. And recently, the support has been broken already. So the next level is the resistance, which is above there. Okay, yeah. So this is the support which got the resistance which got broken to become support. And you can see that the market also tested the support with this candle, and now it's flying. So according to weekly, GJ is still bullish. GJ is bullish, and it will be bullish up to 20, 214 level. Okay, 214 level. GJ will be bullish all through that level. Possibly there might be a pullback to test this level here. Okay, there might be a pullback to test 200, and from then a strong push to the upside to test the next resistance. So if you are fortunate to get the pullback here and you buy from here, you can hold all the way to 214. Okay, which is about how many pips? 1,400 pips. Okay, 1,400 pips. But the question is it really going to pull back? Let's look at daily. Now, if you look at daily, you can see that, oh shit, this thing, you can see that for some days, a lot of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. For 14 solid days, it has been rallying to the upside after this breakout. Okay? Yeah. So, can it really come back here? It's going to be difficult because you can see that we still have some minor demand zones in here. Okay? So, the market can also test this level and pushes up again. So, what is happening? Let's go to H4. This is why I don't like all this space. Can you imagine? How can this be slow movements like a small and steady, slow and steady movement? Small, small, it is pushing, small, small, it is pushing. I can't handle this thing. Can't handle. So if you look at H4, now we have H4 support here. Okay, we have H4 support here. So is the market going to pull back to the support, or it's going to break this resistance? Let's see. Is the resistance broken? No, the market respected the resistance right here. So meaning there can be another push back to this support. Okay, if it comes to this support and respect, you can still buy GJ. Okay, you can still buy GJ, but if it breaks this support, then you can sell GJ all the way to the next support here. Okay, this is a demand. So if it breaks this level, then you can wait for it here. If this level 2 get broken, then you be coming here. Okay. If this level 2 doesn't hold, then you wait for aggressive buy here. Okay. Yeah. And if this level doesn't hold and it comes to the 200, you can risk your entire account. When you get the buy confirmation, you can risk your entire account. Like you go, wow. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't go and risk your entire account, because if you come to me for money, I will not give you. Okay. Yeah. So this market is actually a shit thing. Can you imagine? You're not seeing anything serious. You guys trade this pairs. Trade gold alone and be free. Hey. Anyway, so if you look at H1, you can see that H1 still closed below this level, which indicates there is more sell, a potential sell here. You can see that this is a pullback. So wait, if it is me, I will wait for this level to be taken. Okay. Once this level is broken, then I will sell all the way here. Okay. This is what I would do. So I will have, let's say, something like this. My stop loss would just be here. It's about 35 pips. Then my TP will be here, about 69 pips. And if after this and it breaks to this point, then you can still hold. Okay, this is likely to happen though, but it can still respect this level and push up. So what you have to do is to be smart. Okay, you have to be smart so that you don't give your money back to the market and you do things well. All right. Um, can you please recommend any ebook on forex for me? You are just starting forex. Yeah, go and read Candlesticks Trading Bible. It's very powerful. It's a good book. Okay. GJ is easy buys, but I keep forgetting to check it to take trades because I only trade gold. Why are you stressing yourself if you trade gold alone? Don't stress yourself, my dear. Just trade your gold, because all the money you want in this world, gold can give you and even more. As long as you are willing to pay the price, gold is willing to pay you handsomely. All right. So if you trade gold, forget about other pairs. So guys, this is all I see on GG. Okay, the chart looks messy, but I'm trying to let you know the dips and the ups, everything. That's why I drew so many lines here. So you can screenshot. Okay, you can even download the video after I upload it. You can download and you watch it again to see how it's going to play out. Okay, yeah, guys, make sure you share the video. I would want to see like more views on this particular video. Okay, if not, I will stop the um this live stream here. Okay. All right. So any other question? Open another open another account and just hold GJ for dates and forget about it. Okay, that's cool for you. For me, not like that. Guys, any question? So in the next 1 minute, if no question, thank you all for coming. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow in the market. Okay, so guys, have a nice day.